Hey guys, I'm in Springfield right now with one of my little ones, taking them to a doctor's appointment we had to get scheduled. So today you guys are gonna be finishing up what you started last time. I know the bill kind of cut it short a little bit. So today, what you guys do once you get signed into a Chromebook, go down here to this link, Biomolecules, Nuts and Bolts. All right, click on that. And remember, if you're a 1, you're a protein. If you're a 2, you're a carbohydrate. 3s are lipids, and 4s are nucleic acids. What you guys need to do now is finish up. Make sure you guys have an idea of what all the different types of carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids that are out there within your expert groups. And then what you need to do is go back to your home groups. All right, remember, your home groups are where you originally started at. And all the ones, all the protein people, you share what the kind of proteins you found, what roles do they play, what functions do they carry out, and then what are they made of. And again, each one of these links here, when you click on them, they've all got questions up here. And if you look at it, what is a protein, what is a carbohydrate, what's a nucleic acid, what is a lipid, just a general definition of what they are. And these next 3 bullets right here are basically right off of your organizer that you guys created. We're going to try to find out what are the different types, what do they do, and what are they made of. All right, so those are the main things you're going to be focusing on using these links here. I know there's a few of them in there that don't work anymore. I was trying to weed them out. I didn't quite get around to getting all those weeded out before I had to be gone. But again, click on them as you're looking at these things. Again, try to find where there's 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on the macromolecule, different types of each of these. Like we're just lipids. Lipids sometimes usually there's only 3 different types. There's fats, phospholipids, and then a lot of times steroids and waxes are thrown in there as well. So again, read them, look for that information that tells us what they do that makes them important, because it's all going to come into play when we're trying to figure out what is the structure of the cell membrane and how they all work, all those parts all work together. So again, that's kind of the purpose. We're trying to figure out what all molecules we're made up of, including our cell membrane. So when we start talking about how those things move across the membrane, we kind of have a clue what we're talking about. Hope you have a good day. Stay on task. If you're having a hard time staying on task, I've got a whole bunch of books over there on the shelf that you guys can use. The Chromebooks are just a tool, just like any textbook or anything else. It's a tool for learning. All right, so stay on task. You have an objective. Identify those different types of each macromolecule, what they do that makes them important, and what they're made of. Take that information back to your home group, get back in your original groups, and then go around the table. Take turns sharing what are the different types of carbohydrates you found, what do they do, what are they made of, what are the different types of proteins you found, what do they do, what are they made of, and go through lipids and nucleic acids as well. When you're finished, if you guys get finished and everything's done thoroughly, then yeah, I don't care if you guys spend a little time playing some educational games, all right? But stay on task, meet your objectives first, and then I'll see you guys in class on Tuesday, and we'll wrap this up and start moving into actual cell membrane stuff. Hope you have a great day. Have a great weekend. Be awesome.